Hey guys, how's it going? How to change domain name in GoDaddy. So basically, if you want to change that domain name on a website hosted by GoDaddy, you generally need to update the domain settings. Go ahead to the official website, navigate towards my product, and click manage next to the hosting plan. And then in the hosting dashboard, look for a settings or change primary domain. Follow the prompts to change the primary domain for your new domain name. If you want to update the DNS settings, just go ahead and ensure that DNS settings of the new domain point to the correct server IP address. Go to the My Products and manage DNS next to the new domain and update the A record and other necessary DNS settings, and then update the website settings if there is any necessary configuration files in your website, e.g. WordPress settings and configuration files to reflect the new domain. Alright, so changing the domain name involves updating both GoDaddy settings and your website internal settings to reflect the new domain. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.